Hello everyone, welcome back to our Facebook page. We'll be taking the blue color paper and make a square like shape. Now fold it from the sides. Again press it and turn and follow the same step for all the sides like this. Keep folding the papers as shown in the video. Now after that you have to take more as such and then join them like this. After fixing them, put an orange color paper in the between and put a stick on the back and it's ready. Next, you have to make this umbrella. So for that, we'll be needing the printed origami paper. Fold them like this. Turn the paper and again fold it like this from the sides. Press it as shown in the video and again fold it like this. Now after that, we have to open it and again press it. Make few more as such and then we have to join them one by one as shown in the video. So first take a paper, fold it in the same manner as we are folding here. Now we have to take the papers and then you have to fix it on the sides of it like this. Keep fixing the paper carefully as shown in the video. Now after that we have to cut it from the top, join them like this. Make a flower like shape or umbrella like shape, make it stick like this and fix it and it's ready. Next we'll be making this beautiful craft. So for that we'll be needing a green color paper. Fold it like this and make the creases on it first. Now turn the paper and again fold it. Now after folding it, we'll be pressing it like this and then after that we'll be making more as such and join them one by one. Now after joining it, we'll be taking another sheet and then fold it like this. Cut it in a triangle shape. Open it and roll it like this. Now after rolling it, we'll be folding it like this by pressing it and then keep it like this. Now fix them under down it as shown in the video and it's done. Next, we'll be making this dinosaur. So for that, printed origami paper we need and then we have to fold it. Press it from the top like this and again fold it on the back and press it. Now after that, you have to fold it upward and then press it like this on the downside, fix it. Now after that, we have to turn the paper and again press it like this. Now after pressing it, fold the paper from the between and then you have to make the tail on the back. Now take another paper, fold it like this and make a triangle and then you have to slit it little bit like this, cut it and then paste it on the top of it to make its back and it's ready. Next, take a pink color paper and then you have to make a triangle by folding it. Fold it like this and press it. Now after pressing it, fold it from the downside to make the lines on it and then press it inwards or outwards from both the sides. Make few more as such and fix them together like this. Fix them into each other. Make few more as such in the same manner using different colors. And then join them one by one like this by pasting them. Fold it and then open it in a square shape like this. And then we have to make it like this by pressing it and your beautiful decompression toy is ready. Thanks for watching our video.